SnapKey from Car Keys Express lets you skip the dealership and make car keys yourself with your mobile phone. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to use SnapKey. You can use SnapKey through our online store checkout or through our mobile app. It's easy, just 2 steps: pick and pair. Take pictures of your keyblade. We'll use the images to cut a new key that will ship directly to you. To ensure accuracy, we'll need 3 high-quality photos. Here are some tips to take good pictures. Remove any key rings. Lay the key on a flat, well-lit surface. Confirm your photos are in sharp focus. Be sure to show the entire keyblade. To protect against unauthorized duplication, you must prove you're the owner of the vehicle. You can do this by submitting 2 things: either a photo of your vehicle's registration or title, and a photo of your driver's license. SnapKey is only available to verified owners listed on the documents. Finally, pair the key to your vehicle with the included Easy Installer. Just plug the Easy Installer into your vehicle's standard diagnostic port and follow the instructions. Congratulations! You just saved the time, expense, and hassle of a dealership service appointment and replaced a car key yourself with SnapKey.